If wrinkles is catching up with you real fast, then this video is for you. Today we'll be making a simple mask that will help with your wrinkles and give you tight and youthful face. So this is flax seed. In case you're seeing this seed in the market and you don't know the use, well, here is the use. For the skin though, it have a lot of uses, but this for the skin. So you just get your flaxseed, put it in a pot and then put some water. There's no measurement, like just do as I do, like this. Just 1 tablespoon of flaxseed and maybe 1 cup of water is okay. Then put it on a fire. Low heat, you don't want to burn it, you keep stirring. This seed is rich in collagen. It have protein, is very good when it comes to tightening your face, giving you a youthful, glowy and shining face. And because it's natural remedy, you don't worry about any side effects afterward. So we'll be boiling this. We are trying to attain to right consistency. You will see that it will start forming at the top, creating jelly. Like the water will be some kind of jelly. Like you see here, that's when you know that your seed is ready, like the remedy is ready. So all you have to do is bring it down, let it settle, and then strain it. Don't let it cool too much, because that way the gel will be so thick and you cannot handle it. The consistency here is so thick, like I let it cool because it's little. So that's why it's cooled really fast. So just strain it out. We extract the gel. You get your cheesecloth, washed, clean cheesecloth, and then extract your gel out of it, and then you proceed. So here I decided to, okay, let me get all the gel out like at once. And then I realized it's a bad idea. I cannot get, all the gel at once while I put it all together. Like I put the seed all together. So I have to, do it portion by portion. What I don't want to do at first, I end up doing it. So I have to do it small by small, to get the gel out. So this gel that you see, just do this remedy, okay? Trust me, this is better than all those chemicals you use on your face just trying to get anti-aging face or something. This is way better. If you can do this like 3 times a week, it will be so better, and you will see a lot of changes on your face, on your neck, on your hands, on your feet. Anywhere you feel like it's aging so fast, you can just make this gel and then apply it there, and then just be patient. Just be patient with this remedy, because it's a natural something. It requires patience, and then it works. So here we kind of get our gel. It's hard to get, like so hard to get, but then it's worth it, trust me. So we're just getting our gel. I should have put music here. So this is our gel. Like this is our gel. Like it's so, it give like it, you don't need to do anything. Just form a gel, like natural gel. So that's all. Like that is all, as simple as this. Boil your seed, let it cool, extract the gel, and that is it. So I said, let me show you how you can apply this. Not only with your hands, you can apply this on your face, on your neck, like I said, on your hands, on your feet, and watch the magic happen. In just 2 to 3 weeks, you will start noticing results. All that shrinking and wrinkling will disappear. When you apply it, you let it dry, then you wash. As simple as that. Don't try to peel, please. Don't hurt your skin. Just apply it and then When it dry up, you just wash the area. That's all. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thumb up, comment if you have any question you want to ask, and we have tons of videos on home remedies that you can do to improve your skin without spending money. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye.